still look like a Grecian goddess. Hey everybody, I'm Lisa.
I'm Simone.
And we're doing ivory clasp, like 1, 2, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 months worth.
That's 4 months.
No, here.
3?
3,
there.
4, yeah.
I thought that was posted.
I don't know. Anyway, we're doing several months, a comprehensive look. Now this was a few months ago, and this is, could you do that?
You could do that.
Could you do that? Anyway, Ivory Clasp was $49.90 a month. $49.99 a month.
That's $108 purse.
Yes, and they don't do like designer bags like right off the minute, but they they actually do really nice handbags for $49 a month. You can have the option to skip. Can you open it up? It's got a carrying case.
Not really much you can open out here.
And you know what? A lot of times people pack these balloon things in their Amazon shit. I found that fluffs out a purse nicely. Go ahead.
It's got a little compartment in there.
Mm-hmm.
Comes with a shoulder strap and everything.
Look at it. It's beautiful.
It's like
it's a peachy color, right? Okay, can you stuff that back in there? Along with everything else.
Yay, every little bag.
This is my favorite. Okay, so that is one bag. That's like several months ago. Okay, hold on 1 second. Now, who doesn't like a good purse? This one. That's an old lady purse to me. But I did have somebody in mind when I received this. This is a lady purse. This is Kenny Lignon. This is a leather purse. But his mother is an old lady. And this is her purse. I don't know who styled this for me. Wasn't real fucking happy about it, but it did serve a purpose. And they send you like leather stuff to like take care of it with. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, they send the purse and like little leather stuff to take care of it. All right, stuff everything back in there. We're gonna go next. Kenny Lignon, this is your mother's purse. Next.
Alright, hand me the next page. Parker closes.
Did I just say how beautiful you are today?
You have helped that. It's closed.
Anyway, just toss it aside.
There it goes. Not all the way.
Whatever.
It's close enough.
Ivory Clasp, IVORY-CLASP. Oh, this is probably one of my favorite. Yes, yes. Nope. Not yours.
Simone doesn't want the cute little British bag.
It's cute, right? It matches my shirt. What? You don't want the cute little British bag?
That would only hold my cell phone.
Exactly, and my mascara, my lipstick, and my phone. All the important things in life. So it's cute, right? And anyway, it is a, the color is kale. It's an AVI. And who cares what the manufacturer's suggested retail price is, because it really don't fucking matter. Great purse. They had a special run-in for the old subscription people. And you can get your purses for $29.99. Oy. Oh, I love it. It is a Olivia satchel in cognac. MSR retail price is $89, which of course means it's really nothing, but it's got all the good stuff inside of it. I smell. It's PVC. It's plastic, but it is very cute, and I would use this. Next, and the last one. Are we recording? Yes, we are. Thank God. I'd be very disappointed if we weren't. And that is the most adorable purse I've seen in a long time. It's leather. I can smell it. Oh, they got the handbag shit in there too. That's how I really know it's leather.
And it comes with a mini compartment.
Could you show them? And could you model it?
I'm modeling very nicely right now.
No, she's looking fabulous in her Grecian. Come on, stand up and do it. No. Well, anyway, she's looking fabulous. And this is Ivory Clasp. I'm Elisa.
I'm Simone.
And we'll talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.